Alright people, this is going to be another car startup here on something rare that you don't see, something new on the road. This is going to be another car startup on a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 4500 XD. This one is a dump truck, so we're going to go ahead and start up the 2020 Silverado 4500 XD dump truck. Alright, let's get ourselves up here. This one has 17,535 miles. And this one is, this one's a diesel, so let's see if this one starts. Here's the key. Let's go ahead and start it up. Shall we? Wait for the chime to go off. All right, here we go. Yes. It fires right up always. Not bad at all. You can always love your Chevrolet, right? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's car startup video on a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 4500 XD dump truck. So for that being said, let's go ahead and shut her down. Alright, all I need to say, that's it folks.